Yes, hello children. Today we are going to see geometrical figures. See now in this part 1, first chapter it is about geometrical figure. As in first and second standard all of you have learned about the shapes. You know different types of shape. Now in this chapter we are going to see about angles. See here some pictures has been shown. We see angles between the ground and the slide. See here this is the ground and this is the slide. And here with red pen you can see the different angles has been drawn. Here also the ladder makes an angle with the ground. See here also the ground is there and one ladder is there, and here you can see the angle has been formed. Okay, so here one more picture is given. We see angles between the tree trunk and its branches. Then here there is an angle between the electric pole and the ground. See here also the one electric pole has been shown and the ground is there. Here you can see. Now we can see the angles. Okay, see here the angle has been shown. Now which are these angle we will see. Okay, like we can see here the angles made like this. It is one. See this is one right angle. Then this is of right angle. You can see this is right angle. Then another angle you can see like this. See here in this plant you can see this is the angle. Then next like this you can see. Okay, if any picture you are seeing, you can see the different types of angles. Now what are the names of these angles? See, the names of the angles are, see, right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. Now what is right angle? See, this is one window here shown. Now this window it is having a four side, and this side it is what we see right angle between two adjoining sides of a window. Now what we can see right angle? Right angle we can see the two adjoining sides of the window. It makes a right angle. It looks like L shape. Okay children, in simple language you can say it looks like a L, a simple formation of L. That means it is the two adjoining side of a window, of a door, of a adjacent, see here book, the picture of book it is shown. So that makes your right angle, two adjacent sides of a window, door, book, etc. Okay, so these are the example. In this clock you can see here the time has been shown, it is 3 o'clock. So what this 3 o'clock it is making? It is making a right angle. Okay, this L shape we can see, this L has been formed. Here also in 9 o'clock you can see the L has been formed. Now here also one more example is shown, like in this scissor. It has been making the formation of L. So what it can see? We can see the two blades of scissor. It is been making a right angle. Okay, now you are clear with right angle. See, I will show you with this scissor. See, this is one scissor I am having. So this is what, see, this is my right angle. Okay, what I am making, see this L, here the L is forming. It is what it is making a right angle. Now the angle which is smaller than right angle, now this is right angle, now I am making smaller than right angle, I am making like this. Okay, so I got this, see this scissor. Now the angle which is smaller than right angle is called acute angle. What it is called? It is called acute angle. Okay, the angle which is smaller than right angle is called acute angle. Here in this next picture you can see an angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. See in this here same we can see this is a scissor. First we have made, this is our right angle. Okay, this L shape it is forming. See, this is L shape, this is what, this is our right angle. Okay, two adjoining side of this scissor, it is forming right angle. Then smaller than right angle is what? That is our acute angle. Smaller than right angle is acute angle. Okay, then next comes the angle which is bigger than right angle. Okay, next suppose this is my right angle and the angle which is bigger, see, bigger than right angle. Okay, so this is bigger than right angle, it makes what? It is our obtuse angle. See here we can see this is what, like this is our right angle and then bigger than right angle, it makes the obtuse angle. Here you can see in the picture. Okay, an angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Okay, so what is right angle? Right angle, it makes the adjoining side of any two things. Okay, like example, it is window, door, or a wall, etc. Then what is acute angle? An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Okay, children. So next here the picture is shown. See, here some angles are being given. Observe the figures below and write right angle, acute angle or obtuse angle in the box below each figure. Now here some angles have been given, and what we have to do, we have to write the name. So this is what this is, the angle which is smaller than right angle. So this is our acute angle. Okay, so you can write here acute angle. Next one, this is what? This is our right angle. So you can write here. Okay, next one, angle, this is bigger than right angle, so this is our obtuse angle. Next one, this is also, it is bigger than right angle, so this is also our obtuse angle. And next one, this is smaller than right angle, so this is our acute angle. So I hope children you are clear with the angles, our three types of angle, that is right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. And next here some dots are given. What we have to do, make right angles by joining the dots in the box below. Then here make acute angles by joining the dots, and make obtuse angle by joining the dots. So here so many dots are given. So many dots are given, so you can draw here right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. One I will show you. Suppose I am just here, I am just making this like this, one angle I have drawn. Okay, like another we can make like this also, small angles also we can make, like here also we can make. This is our right angle. Okay, next acute angle. So suppose I am making like this, or you can make like this, any angle you can make. So all these dots you have to fill by making the angles. Now next one is obtuse angle. Suppose I am making like this, so this is my obtuse angle. Then another one, suppose I will make here. So like this children you have to complete this box by making the angles. Okay, thank you.